Why do most project fails? It's not because poor tools or bad technology. It's because we forget timeless principle that makes project success. The human side, the leadership side, or the disciplines that holds everything together. Whether you are managing your first assignment or leading your multi-million dollar project, understanding these 12 principles can completely transform the way you plan, lead, and deliver the project. So, hi everyone, I am Nikhil Patel, a PMP Certified Project Manager with over 6 years of industrial experience. Today, we will talk about 12 principles of project management using a real world example that you can apply right away, no matter you and your industry or your experience level. So let's get it started. Foundation. So what is a foundation? What are the principles? So think of principles like law of gravity. In project management, they don't change. No matter what tools or method you use. PMI introduced these 12 principles, guides how great leaders thinks and behaves, not just how they used software or fill out the templates. These are not steps to follow, they are the value to live by. Let's go through each one. Keep it short, simple, and practical. First one, stewardship. Be diligent, respectful, and caring. A project manager is not just a task maker, you are a guardian of a trust. Stewardship means you take ownership of the project or success. You need to act ethically. Also, you have to protect your team's interest. If something goes wrong, don't hide it. Own it early, communicate clearly, fix it before it grows. Good stewards build credibility, and credibility builds leadership. Second principle, team. Create collaborative team environment. Your greatest your greatest asset is not your Gantt chart. It's your people. Build a team culture where everyone feels safe to share their ideas, challenge and assumptions, to grow together. A great leader does not command, they connect. Instead of just reviewing the task, hold weekly check-ins to focus on a people, their challenges, their wins, their feedbacks. When people feel heard, they deliver more than expected. Third principle, stakeholder. Engage effectively. Stakeholders are not just people you have to please. They are partner in your success. Engage early, listen often, manage their expectation before they manage you. For example, before you kick off a meeting, clarify your goal, risk, definition of a success with your clients. A 30-minute conversation today can save weeks of confusion later. Then we have a value. Focus on delivering real benefit. Every project must create a value, not just output. Ask yourself, are we solving this right problem? It is easy to get busy building features that don't actually help the user. Adding a flashy dashboard no one uses is a waste of a time or a budget. Instead of prioritizing the feature that truly help your customer to achieve their goals. Projects that don't deliver value eventually lose support. Fifth, system thinking. Recognize, respond, system interactions. So projects are the system. Every part affect the others. When you make a decision on a schedule, it impacts the cost, quality, or also increase the team load. Think of your project like a living organism. If you change one organ, the rest must adjust. Cutting testing time may speed your delivery, but it increases your post-launch risk. Always think of bigger picture. Demonstrate leadership behavior. Leadership is influence, not authority. People follow consistency, not control. In a tough time, your calmness become your confidence. During production issue, a good leader don't panic. They guide them calmly and communicate the fact and lead by example. Remember, people don't have a bad project, they have bad leaders. Tailor based on a context. There is no one size fits all project management. Use an approach that fit all context, such as agile method, waterfall method, or hybrid method. What matter is the outcome, not the label. A small software startup might benefit from daily stand-ups, while construction site needs a strict procedure and documentation to follow. Adapt your method to the situation, not your comfort zone. Quality. Build it into the process. Quality is not afterthought. It's a mindset. Don't wait for testing to find a mistake. Build check-ins in every test. Peer reviews, automated test, feedback loops early in the process saves rework process. Prevention is always cheaper than a correction. Navigate complexity. Every project is a web of moving parts. People, task, risk, dependency. Simply simplify, visualize, and communicate. When things get complex, clarity is your superpower. Use a dashboard, Kanban method. Instead of long, confusing reports, your job is to make complex things look simple. Optimize risk responses. Risk management is not about avoiding a problem, it's about being ready for them. A strong project management a strong project manager asks not what if it goes wrong, but what will we do when it does. Have a backup vendor ready, alternate timelines for the schedule, or resources for the flexibility. That's not ability and resilience. Change is only constant. The best leader pivot fast, stay calm, see the changes as an opportunity, not a threat. If clients need shift mid-project, pause, reassess, adapt rather than resist. Adaptability keeps project alive when plans fall apart. Enable change to envision future state. Enable change to achieve the future state. Every project is about a change, a new process, or a system, or a behavior. But success is not just delivering the project, it's ensuring people adapt and sustain. After launching a new tool, success means your team actually use it, not you just deliver it on a time. Change management turns result into long-term impact. So master this and you won't just manage a project, you will lead to a transformation. Tool and trends may change, but principles stay timeless. When you build your leadership on this, you will deliver with confidence and earn lasting trust. If this video helped you to understand project management better, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone preparing for the PMP or leading their first team. I am Nikhil from the Management Hub, where future leaders learn how to plan, lead strong and manage better.